Hello friends, this is Subir Tung from Baleswar, Odisha. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Srinivasa Ramanuja Math Classes. Today I will discuss on group theory in after algebra. By group in our daily life we mean a collection or some sets. But in mathematics by a group we mean a set with some additional conditions. So, one may request to all to enjoy this video, please watch my video on binary operation first. So, now we will start. Definition of group. A group G, star is a set together with a binary operation star on G such that the following axioms are satisfied. First condition, the binary operation star is associative, that is x star bracket of y star z bracket and equal to bracket of x star y bracket and star z for all x y z belongs to G, and this axiom is called associative axiom. Second condition, there is an element small e in G such that e star x equal to x star e for all x belongs to G, and this axiom is known as identity axiom. Here the element e is an identity element for star on G. Third condition, for each element x in G, there is an element x dash in G with the property that x star x dash equal to e equal to x dash star x. Here the element x dash is an inverse of x with respect to the binary operation star. So, if a non-empty set with a binary operation star defined on that satisfies these three conditions, then that set with respect to the binary operation star is called a group. So, now I would like to introduce one more axiom with these conditions from the definition of binary operation. I would like to recall something. By a binary operation on a set G, we mean a function. We mean a function star from G cross G to G is a function. So, we know the elements of the G cross G will be in the form of x comma y. So, with respect to star, it will become x star y, and this x star y has to belong to G for all x y belongs to G, and this axiom is called closure axiom. Closure axiom with respect to the binary operation star. So, if some set together with a binary operation is given to us, to prove that set with respect to the given binary operation is a group, then we have to prove the following. Suppose you are given a set G and a binary operation star is given to you, and this binary operation is defined on G. So, therefore, I would like to prove that this set G is a group with respect to the binary operation star, then for that I have to first prove this G has to be a non-empty set. And second condition, I have to prove X star Y belongs to Z for all XY belongs to Z. And third condition, I have to prove X star Y star Z equal to X star Y star Z for all X, Y, Z belongs to Z. And there exists an element, this is the mathematical notation for there exists an element E belongs to Z such that E star X equal to X star E, and this is true for all X belongs to Z. And the fifth one, for each element X in Z, we can find an element X dash from Z such that X star X dash equal to E equal to X dash star X. I have to prove this 5 bits. First, G has to be non-empty, then star satisfy the closure property and star satisfy the associative property, and there exists an identity element, that is E here, and for each element I have to find its corresponding inverse. So this is the way to prove a set with respect to a binary operation is a group. Now I will define abelian group. Definition: a group G comma star is said to be a commutative group or an abelian group if its binary operation star is commutative, that is X star Y equal to Y star X, and this is true for all X, Y belongs to Z. And this can be easily represented by the diagram. Here X and Y both are input value, and this is my binary operation star, and this gives the output value. So I have taken here X and Y both are as input, and by the operation star I got the output X star Y. Similarly, here I have taken the binary operation star here, input values are Y and X, and with the operation star it becomes Y star X, and these two values are equal. This is true for all X, Y belongs to Z. Then this group G comma star is abelian if it satisfies the commutative property. Please note the word abelian here, A is capital, since this is the name of mathematician Abel. Now I will give some beautiful examples on groups. Example 1, let G equal to set of integers Z and star equal to ordinary addition. We know that ordinary addition is a binary operation on the set of integers. So now I would like to prove Z with respect to addition is a group. First condition, I have to prove Z has to be a non-empty set. So therefore, to show some set is non-empty, it is enough to find a single element which is belonging to that set. So therefore, it is easy to see 0 belongs to Z. So therefore, this set z is not equal to 5. You can say any integer which is belongs to z. You can take any integer which is belongs to z. So therefore I see that z is non-empty. Second condition, we know that sum of any two integers is again an integer. So therefore I have written here x plus y belongs to z for all xy belongs to z. This is our closure axiom. This is our closure axiom under addition. And the third condition, associative property, that is x plus bracket y plus z bracket end equal to bracket x plus y bracket end plus z for all x, y, z belongs to z. Fourth condition, it is easy to see 0 belongs to z. Yes, and it is also easy that 0 plus x equal to x plus 0 for all x belongs to z. We know that if you add 0 to any integer, it will be again that integer. So therefore 0 is acting as an identity element here. So e equal to 0. Fifth conditions, if I take any integer x belongs to z, so definitely minus x has to be an integer. So therefore minus x has to belong to z. And I can also see x plus minus x equal to 0, and which is equal to minus x plus x. And for each integer I can find its corresponding inverse. So here x is the inverse of minus x and minus x is the inverse of x. I have proved z with respect to addition is a group. So now after proving z with respect to addition is a group, I would like to prove whether this is a commutative group or not. So it is easy to see, for set of integers it is always true that x plus y equal to y plus x for all xy belongs to z. So therefore this binary operation addition satisfy the commutative property. So therefore the set of integers z with respect to addition is a commutative group. Exercise, let z equal to r the set of real numbers, x equal to plus, that is ordinary addition. Prove that r with respect to addition is an abelian group. Example 2, let z plus the set of all positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, g equal to z plus star equal to usual addition. Now I would like to prove z plus with respect to addition is not a group. Please note, if a set with respect to an binary operation is not a group, then to prove this, it is enough to prove that at least one condition of the group doesn't hold. Please remember. So now I will prove the z plus with respect to addition is not a group, but I will start proving from like this. Z plus is not equal to phi, because I have mentioned if some set is a group, then it has to be non-empty. So now z plus is non-empty because 1 belongs to z plus. In the previous example I have told you that a set is non-empty, that means there exists at least one element. So here I find 1 belongs to z plus, so therefore z plus is not equal to phi. And it is also easy to see that the sum of two positive integers is again a positive integer. So therefore x plus y belongs to z for all x, y belongs to z plus, and this is our closure axiom. The third condition, that the associative axiom here, x plus y plus z equal to x plus y plus z for all x, y, z belongs to z plus, and this is our associative axiom and it always holds. The fourth condition, identity axiom. Here we are unable to find the identity element E such that E plus x equal to x plus e, and this is true for all x belongs to z plus. So therefore we are unable to find the identity element with respect to the addition operation. So therefore z plus with respect to the addition operation is not a group because we are unable to find the identity element here. Therefore the identity axiom doesn't holds. So z plus with respect to the binary operation addition is not a group.